Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by making sure both ends are ready. Power the accessory and set it to discoverable, then enable Bluetooth on your computer or phone. Once done, immediately open the device list and look for the unknown entry. Note when it appears. Make a quick hardware reset of the accessory and toggle your adapter or airplane mode so the stack rebuilds. This clears transient link issues and removes temporary collisions. It also forces the host to requery device class and name rather than reusing stale data. Now you do the deeper work. Inspect drivers and services. On Windows, open Device Manager and show hidden devices. On Mac, use Bluetooth debug menus. Remove any ghost or duplicate entries labeled unknown, then reinstall or update the Bluetooth adapter driver from the vendor. Once done, run firmware tools for the accessory and confirm it's advertising the correct profile, BLE versus Classic, so the host can match services. Make sure the Bluetooth service /daemon is running. Restarting that service. Finish by erasing old pairing data and factory resetting the accessory, then perform a clean pair from the host. You should see the proper device name and profile after a successful bond. Test the intended function like audio or HID input. If problems continue, update accessory firmware and retry. As a final troubleshooting tip, if the unknown device still appears, try pairing with a different phone or laptop to isolate host versus accessory issues, and collect logs or Bluetooth captures to share with vendor support for targeted analysis.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.